What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football or basketball fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central. One briefcase of a flawless for you tonight. But first, a bad break drawing for a Tuesday night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. And we'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Jordan. Now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. And we'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy the results, paste that against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for tonight. Alright, here it is. Alright, good luck, everybody. I'll save the slabbed cards for the end. Alright, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Up first for the Charlotte Hornets, Larry Johnson. Nice looking jumbo patch. 8 out of 25. Hornets going to Tad tonight. On card autograph for the Spurs, Manu Ginobili. 20 out of 25. Another one for you, Tad. For the Pistons, on card autograph, 2-color patch, Isaiah Thomas. 5 out of 10. Pistons going to Nate tonight. Congratulations, Nate. Jumbo patch for the Wizards, Bradley Beal. 3 out of 15. Going to Allen. On card autograph, 2-color patch for the Nuggets, Kyle Lawson. Going to Jordan. On card rookie auto, super short print for the Jazz, Trey Burke. 1 out of 5. Grab you one touch. Yeah, that one Emerald, parallel numbered 1 out of 5. Jazz going to Tad. And for the Clippers, on card Achievements autograph, Blake Griffin. 7 out of 15. Clippers going to Ben. And now the slabbed cards. First for the Sixers, Julius Erving. Looks like a sapphire. 7 out of 15. Very nice. Congratulations, Cole. And a 101 rookie for the Hawks, Dennis Schroeder. Very cool. Congratulations, Ben. You're getting that one. That is a 101 diamond. And for the Cavaliers, on card autograph, Kyrie Irving. 6 out of 10. Going to Henry. Congratulations, Henry. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. Going to be off until Monday night at halftime. Have a 4-box football break. Should be a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Monday night.